Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to Tramway Buffet in Timog Avenue, Quezon City. Welcome, the most affordable buffet venue perfect for casual or special dining. Tramway's lunch and dinner buffet serves the three Asian cuisines that Filipinos love the most, namely Chinese, Japanese, and Filipino dishes. Choose from all 4 different branches strategically located for your convenience. Gone are the days when buffets used to be expensive and eaten occasionally. Because in Tramway, everyone can now experience luxurious dining. Tramway has proudly established its name as the affordable Chinese buffet venue for family and friends. Little do people know that Tramway started in 2001 as an a la carte restaurant serving authentic Cantonese cuisine. Enlightened in serving more and more Filipinos, Tramway saw the opportunity to grow and catered more by offering a unique all-you-can dining experience. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tramway was derived from the Hong Kong Tramway, which signifies a classic and authentic Hong Kong brand. Like our buffet, the Hong Kong Tramway offers the most economical mode of transportation with 118 stops from Shao Kwan to Kennedy Town. Inspired to bring the concept of both economical service and the family's passion for Cantonese food, Tramway, a family-owned business. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other food crawl series. you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.